if friction stops the moving object, then is it bad? No. Actually, friction is both good as well as bad. It is called a necessary evil, which means though it has bad effects, but it is essential. For example, we will not be able to move, we will not be able to walk if there was no friction. We would just slide away, like it happens on an oily surface or on a banana peel. Have you ever fallen on a banana peel? So, on a banana peel the fall is very bad. Even on the wet surface or oily surface the fall is very bad. So, actually we are able to walk properly at right speed because of friction. If there was no friction, we would only slip away. That is why on our shoes also there is rough surface, especially on tires the rough surface is there. The reason being that if the surface would be too smooth, then the wearing out will be more, and as a result in no time the tire will get worn out, right. Now, on our palms also there is lot of wearing out and there is no rough surface, but we have a way of replacing the dead tissue, but tires do not have. And you must have seen that sometimes your mother or father, they talk about changing the tires. They say the tire has become too smooth, all its grooves are gone, then it becomes so thin that it is not able to move. So, friction is essential for movement, whether it is our shoes, whether it is a surface. In fact, without friction you will not even be able to write. We are able to write with pen or pencil or chalk on the blackboard only because of friction. When you are writing with chalk, then some of the particles they remain stuck, and that is why they leave a mark. Even in the case of pen and pencil, if it would run very fast, we will not be able to leave any marks on your paper or notebooks or anything. So, here also just rub your hands. What happens? Did you try? Are you feeling warm? Your hands have become hot. You know how did early man learn to make fire? He took two stones and rubbed them against each other vigorously, and there was a fire. Why? Because friction also produces heat, and that is why when we strike a matchstick on a matchbox, we get fire. So, this is also another advantage of friction, that we can make fire and we can also feel hot during cold winters with the help of friction.